Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So I'm very bullish on XL. So I already have one put, and I'm going to buy or sell another put in XL. Now, see how much premium I can get. I'm going to go about a month out, a little bit over a month. $7 strike price. I'm going to sell for, I'm going to try to get 80 cents. Select. Now I'm not going to, I'm only going to do one. Actually, we can probably do better. Let's do a limit order. Let's do 85 cents. Alright. Term for the day. And we should be able to get that price. I'm very bullish on this stock. I think the stock is worth about 20 bucks in its current state. And order's been placed. Let's go back. Oh, was not executed. It's open. Why is it still open? Oh, okay, well. They lied. I guess we'll go with 80 cents. E-Trade is usually pretty good at filling orders at a good price. Not so worried about it. Not as much as I am with like Tasty Trade. Sometimes I don't get the best fills over there. But E-Trade's pretty good. So we did get a good fill. Here we go. Now XL at $7 and $7.50. Alright, let's see. Did pretty good. Yeah, alright. Tell me what you guys think of XL. I think it's a pretty good company. I think they have a good product. And we're on the way to EV land. Much like everybody else, they have battery problems. So, that could be a problem in the future, in the supply. But overall, they have good fundamentals. And the stock's really getting hammered because they haven't really worked out their production yet. The only real people really producing is, the Tesla's the leader, obviously. Ford's coming up. Chevy, GM. All the big guys are getting into EVs. So there's going to be a lot of competition. XL could potentially be a buyout target. Maybe. We'll see. They have good technology anyway. Tell me what you guys think. Alright guys, anyway, that's how to sell a put, generate some income, and hopefully see how this works out. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.